Hey Juan, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to cover 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I've found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their faith in me to help grow their company. So, by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I know what I'm doing and how to really increase the sales and boost your business. Shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I'm going to give you and do it all yourself, that works for me too. So, let me not waste any more of your time and cover 3 things that'll set your company above your competition. So the first thing I want to talk about is going to be just simply that I was looking and I can see that you're on HomeAdvisor, Thumbtack, Yelp, and I know at least 2 of those you are paying for. So this is a way that you can get up on the organic listing. So since you don't have a website that I could find, I simply just want to go over what a website can do for you. So the first thing I want to show you is that I just typed in Fence Services Tampa. Now I know you're in Wesley Chapel, and this could say Wesley Chapel, or it can say any city that you want to be targeted for, but I'm just using Tampa because it's the biggest city around us. And what we can see is the #1 organic listed business is right here, and it's fenceoutlet.com. So I click them, and they take me right here to this Fence Outlet website. So the first thing I want to dive into when building a website and how it can help is content. So as we can see here, they have a total of 1,226 words on their homepage. Now, when building a website, you want your homepage to have a minimum of 1,500 words to be fully optimized with Google. And that's from Google when they release what their algorithms are looking for. So right out of the gate, just having 1,500 words on a new website for the homepage can help beat out your top competition. Now, content isn't going to get you to the first page, but it is going to help you to grow in the rankings. And it's going to give you the ability to increase your keywords. So the way it works is when you type something into Google, their algorithms crawl all the pages on Google looking for the words that you're searching for. So I searched Fence Services Tampa, so you can see they have fence 51 times, Tampa 24 times, fencing 26 times, and things such as that, company in Tampa, things that are related to what I was looking for, and the keywords exactly what I was looking for. So they helped pull them to the top of Google. Now the second thing I want to go over is citations. Now since you have a Google My Business page, the GMB right here, citations applies to you as well. Citations are simply where you put your NAPs, which is your name, address, and phone number, into directories that you can see here. Yelp, BBB, Yahoo, Merchant Circle, White Pages, Yellow Pages, directories like that where you put your business information listed. And this is just one way that Google views your not your power, but can see that your business is spread around and it's definitely like a valid business. Google really wants to make sure that when they pull businesses up to the top and the organic listings that they're valid, operational businesses. Now the last thing I want to talk about is the most important, and that's backlinks. Now the #1 thing Google looks at is this DR, or domain rating, which is your website's power. Now the reason they look at this is because this is driven from these, which are called backlinks. Now what backlinks are is they are other websites pointing to your website. So for example, if there was a website called bestfencesinwesleychapel.com, and on that website they had your URL that would be created for your website, that's a backlink. Now backlinks are not only good to have quantity, but the most important thing is quality, because you want to have them from good quality sources that are relevant to your business, so in this case fencing, and also have a high power rating. Now a DR of 8 is really not that crazy because it's 0 to 100, so it is beatable with good quality backlinks. And you're probably saying 1.2 thousand is a lot. Well, this is their homepage, and as we can see that they have multiple locations. So if we go specific to their Tampa location, which is here, as you can see, it's just the path, they only have 25 backlinks. But the reason I wanted to show this one is because they still have the same DR. That's because subpages still take from their host, which is the same main URL when talking about DR. But what I wanted to point out is just this one page is getting 932 clicks a month in organic traffic. That means that the traffic is being driven there just simply from typing in something into Google, such as Fence Services Tampa, fencing Tampa, fence installation, whatever their organic keywords are triggering, they're getting that click. Imagine what you could do if you had 932 visitors on our website. In closing, we discussed 3 things today. We went over content, how your front page needs at least 1,500 words. We discussed citations, how you want to have 100 or more so that you can get your name out there. Third, we talked about backlinks and link juice and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. Now, if you implement the strategies today, you can easily start crawling your way up and being the #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, again, you can take the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally fine with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.